Imagine this. A workplace accident occurs, causing serious injury. The first question investigators ask, when was your last safety meeting? Your stomach drops as you realize it's been months since your last toolbox talk. In this quick video, we'll look into why these seemingly optional safety meetings could be the difference between a thriving business and a devastating lawsuit. While toolbox talks aren't legally required, skipping them could cost you millions. Let me explain why. Here's something that might surprise you. There's no specific OSHA regulation that requires toolbox talks. The closest thing is the General Duty Clause, which simply states employers must provide a workplace free from recognized hazards. But this legal gray area is exactly what makes these talks so dangerous to skip. Think about it this way. If something goes wrong on your job site, authorities won't just look at what you were legally required to do. They'll examine everything you could have done to prevent the incident. And if you weren't holding regular toolbox talk safety meetings, that's going to look really bad in court. The financial impact can be staggering. We're talking hundreds of thousands, even millions in costs from a single workplace injury. OSHA citations, workers' comp claims, civil lawsuits, and insurance hikes. It all adds up fast. And without documented safety talks, defending yourself becomes nearly impossible. But here's the good news. Protecting your business isn't complicated. It just requires commitment. Treat toolbox talks like any other critical business operation. Schedule them regularly with SafeLeo and let the app keep track of everything digitally. Make safety a constant priority, not an occasional afterthought. Just because something isn't legally required doesn't mean it isn't absolutely essential. Don't wait for a tragedy to take safety seriously. Start implementing regular toolbox talks today. Your workers' lives and your business could depend on it.
Are you fed up with sifting through binders trying to find the right toolbox talk? SafeLeo can put an end to that headache once and for all. You'll never ever have to comb through binders again. Now you can easily upload your own or choose from our comprehensive library of preloaded text-based and video-based toolbox talks. No more last-minute scrambling to pull something together. Even better, you can bulk schedule those talks across all your projects, ensuring they happen consistently without someone having to remember. When it's time for the safety meeting, just pull up the day's talk on your phone or tablet and deliver it to your crew. Taking attendance is a breeze too. Workers can digitally sign in right on the device, or you can snap a photo of the physical sign-in sheet. Either way, SafeLeo keeps everything documented and stored in one organized system. Safety should be the top priority on any job site. Now you can streamline your toolbox talk so you can focus on the information, not scrambling to find it. Click the link below to request a quick demo.